Now citric acid here. Okay, come on. Loosen it. Attach to loose. Okay, hello. Pretty sure I need to add more water. Hey, sorry guys. That's enough. Okay, attach the loose end of the plastic tubing to the opening of the bottle of acid. The tube must be firmly secured to the bottle tip. Push both ends of the tubing to make sure you No! Okay, so this, let's take that out. Put that there. Let's put this there. Okay, let's get that in. Come on, come on, come on, baby. Going good so far. Okay. Carefully squeeze the ball of citric acid and force liquid to the plastic tube. Okay. Now my volcano is not ready to erupt. Now that I've connected this, see a little more inside. Okay. Carefully squeeze the ball of citric acid to force the liquid to the plastic tube. Once it makes its way to the center of the volcano, the acid will react. Wait. Let's try to squeeze it now. Whoa. Okay. So, how do I do this? Put baking soda in there or in there. Let's see what I should do with this baking soda now. Oh. I think I did something wrong. Let's get that out there. Don't worry, I'm fine. I'll get the scissors. I'll be back. Okay, got the scissors. Snip. I think I did something wrong. Huh? Okay, let's do this. Open that up first. I gotta be so careful. Nah, here's the inside. Okay, let's get that in the acid. Whoa! Jeez. Ah. Jeez, what was that? Okay. Come on, come on. We got this guy. Ah! Okay, we got that. Put it in there now. Okay. So the mistake I did was that. Oh, this is still getting hard. Ah, my skin. Just get that in there. Squeeze. What the? Whoa. Squeeze. What do we have? What? Oh my god, this is not going well today. I had to come up. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm good. Fine. Oh crap. Oh crap. Crap. See how well this goes when I put baking soda more. Okay. Sorry, not much talking, just focusing. I don't want to use up everything, so I'm gonna do this again. Oh, yeah, that's enough. Day one. It didn't go well as last day one today. Well, it didn't go as last time. So yeah, I gotta get it out of here. Ah. Oh. Man, that was fun. It really got molten, did it? Let's just use the whole thing. All my citric acid's running out. I think we should fill some more. Some citric acid fun. Okay, how do we feel with citric acid? Easy, just put baking soda. Molten lava? Oh boy, I don't think it's going well. Whoa. Oh, I think this is how it goes. Oh, I need a refill. I need a refill with citric acid. I need with baking soda. I need a refill. Huh? I don't think it's doing anything. I was like I'm burping. Ah! Man, that was fun. Ah! Yeah, more options. Oh, I went out. Okay, let's go again. I guess we can just pour some of this, so that can be a bigger option. Woohoo! Okay. Come on. Some of that, some of that. Oh crap. Wait. If I can squeeze to that. I think we got it. Oh, my volcano. It's kind of wet. Okay, I think I got what to do now. I think we could pour this in. Pretty sure. Oh, we can't. Yeah, yep. The volcano is done. Well, looks like this video is now over, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Volcano! And please, erupt. If you see some erupting volcanoes, contact me. shuhunapo@gmail.com. And say the comment YouTube channel. And say in the comments. Erupt! Be more! Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Eruption 1, 2, 3, erupt!